Good morning, I'm Thomas from Ecobird. So today I'm going to talk to you about solutions to treat water pollution, mostly caused by human activity. So Ecobird is a small company that has a strong expertise in nature-based solutions to treat water. So our activity is mostly feasibility studies, solution selection, process engineering and design. Construction support, so we don't build ourselves, but we support local partners that will build the nature-based solution as a way to develop circular economy aspects. And we also have a lot of R&D projects, and we design R&D facilities. Our collaborators are consultants and industries, local authorities, administrations, development agencies, NGOs. We're a small company, as I said, 12 people, 25% are in the research and development department and 50% in the engineering department. And we have a reasonable turnover, 700,000 euros in 2019. How we position ourselves. So in France, we are among the leader and oldest company with 2,000 systems that have been deployed. And now we are developing into the industrial market, urban areas, and also in the international market. Our differentiation is our approach to problems. So first, we do effluent characterization and context analysis. We integrate, combine, optimize nature-based solutions in treatment solutions. We evaluate, compare solutions on a technical, environmental, or economical aspect. And we prepare and support the deployment of nature-based solutions. But what are nature-based solutions for effluent treatment? So it's a solution that relies on natural processes that are selected, optimized to remove pollution. The objective interest of nature-based solutions is that, first of all, they're reliable and they perform well. Their objective in our solutions is to remove pollution, and they do it perfectly well. They're robust and resilient, so they can adapt and recover to high variations in condition, being climatic or effluent quality, quantity. They're low carbon or energy intensity, so they're more sustainable than other solutions. And they bring environmental co-benefits, such as economical ecosystem services. Applications can be to common pollution, so domestic wastewater, septage, sludge, and so on. Highly fluctuating pollutions from effluent from agri-food industry, stormwater, and very complex pollution from industrial sites and contaminated aquifers. An example, application to common pollution. So these simple pollutants, urine, feces, have usually quite limited variations. Solutions needs to be robust, simple, and resilient to apply to small-scale communities, small villages, or medium-sized villages. The site constraints are usually very important, such as topography, space availability, integration in the landscape. But we need to consider future use, such as extension, regulation. Application to highly fluctuating pollutions with high level of pollutants or hydraulic variability according to the season, the weather, the production. Example, the wine industry during harvest, there's a lot of pollution, and then after it's much lower. The systems need to be robust, resilient, and high performance to deal with the high inflow of pollutants. Environmental co-benefits are quite important, and reusing the water, especially when it's related to the agri-food industry, is quite important. And application to complex pollution, mixture of very nasty pollutants, petrochemicals, chlorinated compounds, pathogens, micropollutants, you name it, we can find it. So we need strict treatment objective in terms of performance, robustness, but also cost efficiency. The site constraints are important because the sites are usually still in operation. The topography can be a constraint, regulation can be difficult, and nature-based solution can be combined with other systems to provide good performance. And these systems can be tested at pilot scale before upscaling. We are partnership with research institutions and technical networks. And why we are at Innovate for Nature? Well, first to develop our network, to promote nature-based solutions because they work, so they should be applied more, to develop partnership, to deploy these solutions, and to support acceptation of nature-based solutions. And eventually, if people have projects or research wants research collaboration, we are happy to help. So thank you very much. Feel free to ask me any question if you have some.
Thank you, Thomas. And now the last speech from Russell.